Welcome back to another cleanup. We are here in a beautiful nature reserve that unfortunately is full of trash, but today we want to change that. And here's already the first piece of trash, an old vodka bottle.
Das soll ich bis nächste Woche gelesen haben. Eins fehlt. Mein erstes Jahr.
Plastic sheet fragments.
Ja, ne? Oder was ist das?
Looks like,
It's like a bucket?
yeah, part of
World
an
War
old
II helmet.
World War II helmet. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, no, I
Yeah.
think it's a bucket.
Yeah, most likely.
Ooh!
What is this? It's like a plastic tarp. Quite huge.
Oh yes.
Come on. There we go. A huge top.
Plastic. Plastic.
Oh,
More plastic. Now let's see if I can reach the stuff in the back. Oh!
is that a sleeping bag? What do you have there?
I have no idea.
Yeah. Take that.
Could be a blanket
Yeah,
or something. Maybe like for horses? Horse blanket?
yeah, could be.
Oh yeah, that it was.
Yeah, definitely. All right, that's quite a lot of stuff just from those few trees there. Might make the first bag full already. And with that, our first bag is already full.
That's a good idea.
Alright, we walked a couple of meters downstream and here's already the next big trash hotspot. I think this is part from the sleeping bag, horse blanket, whatever we found with upstream, and with also another giant piece of plastic sheet. Again. Yeah, and some smaller pieces down there.
Fine, Leute.
Candy wrappers and more plastic sheet fragments here. So much plastic along the banks.
Oh look, training wheels.
Huh.
More plastic sheets here.
Mm.
Let's see.
Even more plastic sheet from all the farming activity along the river. And a glass bottle. We're walking along the animal path here in the nature reserve, and I think some animal found the shoe sole here. Maybe chewed some of it. That's not good. So that's why we put it in the bag. More plastic sheet here along the river. That's another piece. A disgusting towel. I think I just found a mini grill. Looks like some kind of grill or cooking device. And the classic candy wrappers. Haribo Gold Bears. An old bag. Alright, I think we're done for today. We walked 2 kilometers along the river here. Very beautiful nature reserve. Very pristine river here. And we filled 2 whole bags full of plastic. And yeah, now we're heading back now. We have to walk the 2 kilometers back. Yeah, and pick up the bags we left on the way. More plastic from the farmers, right from the source here in the middle of the field. And here's bag number 2, no, number 1. That was our first one, but we need another bag to put it in because it's ripping apart.